Englix. Learn English in the most interesting ways. Forget boring textbooks.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Englix. I'm Emily. Today we're looking at 10 everyday words that British and American people say completely differently. Same meaning, totally different word. Let's go. 1. Football versus soccer. In British English, the sport is called football. In American English, it's soccer. Simple as that. 2. French fries. British people call them chips. Americans call them French fries. And what Americans call chips, British people call those crisps. Yes, they literally swapped the words. 3. Flat versus apartment. A flat in British English is an apartment in American English. Same home, different name. 4. Lift versus elevator. British people take the lift. Americans take the elevator. Both take you up and down a building. 5. Lorry versus truck. That big, heavy vehicle carrying goods on the road, British people call it a lorry. Americans call it a truck. 6. Biscuit versus cookie. A sweet baked snack with tea. In British English, that's a biscuit. In American English, it's a cookie. Easy. 7. Jumper versus sweater. When it's cold, British people wear a jumper. Americans wear a sweater. Same cozy clothing, different name. 8. Petrol versus gas. British people fill their car with petrol. Americans fill up with gas. Same fuel, different word. 9. Trousers versus pants. In British English, the long clothing on your legs is called trousers. Americans call them pants. And in British English, pants means underwear, so be careful. 10. Garden versus yard. The outdoor space around a house, British people call it a garden. Americans call it a yard.